Steve and I have a 2020 Kia Sportage here in the shop, and we're getting ready to do a cabin filter.
All right, so we're going after the cabin air filter, and we got this little squeeze tab here that we've got to squeeze to pop off our little piston here, if you will. And then there's a couple of catches on each side. We twist these, and then these come back out. Okay. We'll pop this one out right here. Okay, now we get the glove box to fold down, and I don't really want to drop everything out of it, so I'm going to have my light sitting underneath it. And we've got a squeeze tab over here that we can release. I need the light, the other light.
Yeah.
And it's got a little pull tab here that we can squeeze on this side, it looks like. And then this comes right off, and we'll keep this down here, and we can slide the filter out right here. Oh, we got some leaves and debris in there. We'll sit that down there. There's nothing in the case. We're going to take a real good look in there to make sure.
Yeah, just want to make sure you get all the debris out of there.
And they've got an arrow here, and this is airflow. So airflow, there is no debris in there. So we've got some airflow arrows going down, and we're gonna slide that filter in with the airflow arrows going down. Okay, and we're sliding the filter back in place. Okay, so now we've got our cartridge cover, and one side has like a little hinge on it, and you slide that into the slot right here, tight, and then clip that in, and that's it. Now we can put our little button plugs back in here, and these just roll in place, twist in place, and that stops the glove box from falling down. Kind of convenient. We've got one on this side over here that we've got to do.
Try not to drop it.
Yeah, got one here. Okay, so now the stoppers, you can see the stoppers hitting now. So those are good, and we got to reconnect our little piston, and that clipped on, and that's it. We didn't have to empty everything out of the glove box. That was one.